Hello YouTube, here's soccer breaks for today. And I finished the bowling alley. Over here, the big sign, Deze Bol Cafe. And next of that, the grocery store. Over there, the pizzeria. Over here, the bakery and the bike shop in one place. So, it's a big set, 2 base plates. 32 by 32, and this is the front of it. It's a big pillars over here, and right over here on the back side, over here you have the back door, and over here you have the train track. And I for that what I would say was over here again the landscaping, then a glass wall, and then over here come some tiling. So for the interior, I show you now the roof with all his details, with bowling balls on the roof. So I get it off and you can see the interior, all the details. You have over here the front door, and inside some arcades, some games you can play. And over here the kitchen, big in the neck. So, and over here an employee, another one, and some mom with his kid. And over here the ball center. So with all these details, over here some lighting, and over here the cashier. So yeah, for after all, this is the bowling alley. What I want to show is more than only the bowling alley. The roof is a little stuck. Oh yeah, there we go. And part 2 from the roof. There we go. It's a little ignore, but you can see over here that it's not put in on a place, but I keep it for that right now. I'm doing some road the next. I mean some road plates right over here for the parking lot. Over here in the future plans, stay over here a new table, and comes over here now more parking space. And over here, not so big changes. So. For after all, yeah, comment and subscribe and like this video. I see you next time. Bye.